Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video, I'm going to show you an amazing snapshot for lawn care in which I can show you a AI-based website that automatically book your appointments, automatically form submits, follow-ups, AI chatbot, AI assistant, and also you can do a quick calls as well. This is a totally smart system where you can increase your lawn care customer leads and you can nurture them, you can send them follow-up emails, SMS, and even you can send message on WhatsApp as well. Without wasting time, let me dive in video and I will show you step by step how it's work and what you are going to get on this whole system. And by the way, if you can watch this full video, I can give you this whole system free of cost. You need to just install on your system and you have money making machine with lawn care and you get more leads and more business as well, in which I will give you pipeline stages, everything you need to start your lawn care business automate. First of all, I will show you this amazing website for lawn cares and landscaping. You can use for both. We can change it according to your requirements. So for example, here you can see an amazing hero section, some of with animations and these more details buttons as well. Here we have about us sections, and then we have our award-winning ceremonies or sections, and similarly we have what we offer. Even you can offer cleanings, lawns mower, integrations, whatever your services is, we can replace with your exact lawn care services. So I can show you backend as well how it's work. Here we have some past and previous work, and here we have our clients, what client services. Here we have booking options where the leads can submit this and we will get this booking, and based on this booking we will reply automatically and access all customer data automatically. And here we have our contact us details. Here is an amazing footer, and we have round about all necessary pages, like we have about us page in which we have explain about us, our company, how it's work, when it's found. We have everything here. And then we will go to service pages, and here you can see we will put here all services. By the way, these are our services we can replace with our lawn care services and lawn care things with these details. And also we have in footer, we have also booking section as well, and here we have amazing footer that we have discussed already. And I will show you another page, that's contact us page. Similarly, we have contact us page and contact us details, forms, and everything here attached. We have complete system. And by the way, these all are AI based. For example, someone submit this form, you don't need to reply, you don't need to you need to check leads. It will be sent internal notification to you and leads as well, and they can force you to book appointment with you, and based on book appointment they will convert your customer into your paid leads as well. And on the back end, I will show you AI things, how it's work and what things are included in it. I will show you step by step. Here you can see lawn care appointments, and here you can see we have pre-built systems, like we have form submissions. For example, someone submit form, they will get automatically follow-ups, emails, SMS. We will assign to team members, we will add tags, everything we have here. And if customer reply on this form, then we can we have another workflow accordingly as well. Then we have follow-up and nurturing system, and then we have chatbot. In chatbot, it will work like an assistant. I will show you, for example, this ones, and I will show you. Yeah, we have another thing is that if you have Facebook ads form, and you can link with the system in just one click, and then you can utilize it for your getting leads into system, and in system you will get all these customer list and you can send them follow-ups as well. Your Facebook leads come into your system, and here we can start sending them emails and SMS and everything for them. So what happened here, you can see we have survey or form, whatever you have survey or form on your end. So what you need to do, we can once this submit, we will assign to user, it should be your team members. We will create update and opportunity, and we have different opportunities in stages by stages. We will update this, and then we can say we will add notes, and based on notes we will add send internal notification to our team members. Hey, we have these leads and you have to contact them. Then we will put condition condition. If form submit, if survey submit, it's none submit. So based on this, we will add tag and we will have go to, and go to here we have another workflow that's called follow-up workflow. I will show you another chunks and I will show you here. Here we have follow-up workflow. For example, we can add customer from our another workflow, and here we will send email 1 and we will wait slightly like this time, and then we will send SMS, and similar we will wait 1 day, then we will send SMS and emails, and similarly like this will be going on until the customer will be not reply. And I will show you last stage, and if customer reply or not reply, we will put into a nurture campaigns, and then we will add into a 10 days long nurture as well. Here I have nurture campaigns. I will show you like here we have monthly nurture, and it's also similar, and if they not reply, we will monthly nurture them like once a week. We will send emails and SMS and we will start nurturing them. And based on this, we have these nurture campaigns like 10 days, 1 month, and even we have 8-week nurture as well, like 2 months. Similarly, we have database reactivation campaign. For example, you already have leads, like you have 1000 leads, and you can put in the system, start system will be automatically start sending them emails and SMS until they not reply. And then we have missed call text back automations, like for example, someone call on your numbers and you are busy, you're not responding, and AI can pick call. AI can be automatically response to your leads and ask for book appointments and ask for another calls. It will be automatically did by AI. And social media automation, for example, someone comment on your Facebook, your Instagram and your TikTok, this system will be automatically reply to your commits and send DM to your customer, and also send notification to you as well. You have new commits, you have new leads, and you can attach with them and you can discuss with them. Here you have all these response, commit, respond, and then we send internal notification to your team, and then we will send DM as well. Also we have system workflows. Here we have lawn care D&D. This is a basic system workflow where, for example, some customer don't want to message or emails from you. He need to just select don't disturb me, and it will be automatically activate, and we will run this. And similarly, if there is any notification, we will send alerts. Add task to your lawn care teams. It is a workflow where you can add task to your teams. So you can see here we have a lot of system here, and you can build it. You can build in your lawn care system, and you can start making money with this system. Here we have reputation management system, in which we can manage all reputation, like your Google My Business review, your Facebook review, your Trustpilot review. You can manage all those things on a one place. So that's a whole system you will get free of cost. You have in description box, you have link of GoHighLevel. You can buy GoHighLevel with my link, and you will get this whole system free of cost. And also, if you already have GoHighLevel, you can just simply go to leadsflex.com. Still, this website I also link in a footer, and you can just book free consultation here, and I will jump with you on a call, and I will guide you step by step how you can implement this and how you can get it free. Or if you need any other help, we will do your all help here as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.